If you've got a Fiat 500 that won't come out of park, and the park light doesn't come on, but you can go here, stick a screwdriver in, and you can get it to shift. Now it's in neutral. You can start it, but then you put it back into park. You can't get it out. More than likely have a problem over here. In the shifter linkage, right there. You put a crowbar behind it and you push it. The car, can't really see it there, but the light came on. You can crank the car in park and shift it, but then the linkage is messed up, so you can't really keep shifting it. You gotta fix the linkage. Just saw this problem a lot, so thought I'd make a video.